Hello there and a big welcome to the channel. I hope you're keeping safe and well. Well, my name is Terry and I've been working in and around studios for about 20 years now, both in large studios but now in a home studio. This channel really is here to serve you, so please, I'd love to hear your comments and also I'd love to hear your questions. But finally, please don't forget to like, subscribe and click that bell icon because there is more content coming. Just done a little bit of gain staging using Melodyne. But now what I want to do is just to make sure that the BVs is locked into the lead vocal. I haven't had a look at these vocals yet. My initial impressions is I think they are pretty tight. So what I've done, I clicked Ola's BVs and we're just going to flex time. So let me just go through it. And what I tend to do is just go through it section by section. So I maybe just do a cycle there and just go through and just see if it generally lines up. Actually, from this little part, it looks like it's pretty accurate. So, again, that's pretty tight there. Yeah, again, pretty tight there. Let's look at this little section. So what I can do is just click that there and just drag it back. Let's see what that's at. I can see your heart in everything. I can see your heart in everything you make. So some of this is just not adjusting this just because it feels like it needs adjusting. What does it actually sound like? And I have to say, Ola's BVs so far has been pretty accurate. Let's just do that, see what that sounds like. I can see your heart in everything you make. Okay, I'm going to leave it there now. I have to say the BVs are pretty tight. I think if I didn't do this, the BVs would be acceptable. But nonetheless, it's worth going through. It's going to take me half an hour, 45 minutes. If it stands out, I'll make a slight adjustment. Like I said, I think Ola and her BVs are pretty tight. Just lined up the BVs a little bit to the lead vocal. And now I'm in Melodyne. So this is the backing vocals. And the first thing I noticed was that around about, can you see, around about this section, you know, these are the actual notes. And actually the recording is just a little bit hot. So I just want to just bring that down a tad. I'm just gonna. Now I could automate this, but actually, and there's probably still going to be some automation that's going to be needed. But you know, this literally just gives me a helping hand.
Vapor of your breath, the planets form. If the stars were made to worship, so will I can see your heart in everything you've made. I can see your heart in everything you've made. Every burning star, a signal. Your heart in everything you've made. Every burning star, a signal fire of grace. If creation sings your praises, so will I. God of your promise, you don't speak in vain, no syllable empty or God of your promise, You don't speak in vain, no syllable empty or void. For once you have spoken, you once you have spoken, all nature and science follow the sound of. Don't speak in vain. For once you have spoken, all nature and science follow the sound of your voice. Will God reveals your nature, so will I. God reveals your nature, so will I can see your heart and everything you say. Every painted sky, a canvas of your grace. If creation still grace, if creation still obeys you, so will I. And as you speak, 100 billion galaxies are born. In the vapor of your breath, the planets form. If the stars were made to worship, so will I can see your heart in everything you made. Every burning star, a signal fire of grace. If creation sings your praises, so will I. There at the start, before the beginning of time. With no point of reference, you spoke to the dark, you fleshed out the wonder of light. And as you speak, 100 billion galaxies are born. In the vapor of your breath, the planets born. If the stars are made to worship, so will I.